Takeover, what? Yeah, baby. We are out.
Big boy RT back with another video, live in the flesh. Big one, it's almost 2 o'clock, but almost dropped the GoPro, man. But man, y'all, what is going on? Big boy RT back in the cut with another video. Y'all feel me? Got the RT out here, big red seats in here, big red guts, you feel me? But man, today is gonna be one of the special lit day. Chicago has never seen a takeover like this before. You guys thought that the Minnesota versus Chicago takeover was something special. Y'all stay tuned for today. Today is gonna be something crazy. I'm telling you, man. Stay tuned for the full video. Don't skip ahead. I'm not looking at this camera because I'm in traffic right now. I'm not trying to smack the back of the car. But man, y'all stay tuned for the full video. It's gonna be something lit, something special. Y'all drop a comment, drop a like, subscribe. Let me know how the channel doing. Let me know how the video was, all of that, man. But I'm gonna pick up the camera once the day goes on some more, and I'm probably gonna pop out to the car wash right now, so I might pick up the camera then. If not, y'all gonna see me tonight, man. Stay tuned. We out. What is going on, man? It is the second day. I did not make an outro, but y'all see it. Let's get this coat. Well, man, like I said, I did not make an outro, but man, they was litty out there in that city for sure, man. Hopefully I got some good footage. Shout out to my boy Super 61. He's sending me drone shots, so y'all make sure y'all tap in with him on the Instagram. But man, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. If y'all stayed this long, make sure y'all drop a comment, let me know how the video was, man. Going up on 2021. I'm